Sweet Neurology of My Heart by Comic Book Shaman. Fern. Building blocks, childhood values of faith, curiosity, motivation, A, reproduction, B, introspection, sustenance, consumption, assumptions, perceptions, negations, substitutions, delusions, confusion, maturity, uncertainty, the was. 1. Fern, nature of reality. Reality is what we make it, or what is made of us. Where are we to find the courage to trade our cow for magic beans? Money is the sun in our culture, the most unreal object of all. Time is the essence of our life. We must all bow down to it at last. Men stick out and women take them in. This is the almost everything. We are surfing the curve today, and yesterday's structures are tenuous. Release attachment, and we may see at last that there can be no net loss. Do not be overcome by fears or desires. Our intentions are a force in the universe.